Hi all of you in my video. So in this video I'm going to show you some more basic commands on Linux. So let me just copy my IP from here and paste. First let me load key. Alright, let me load this Red Hat one, and it's time to paste here your IP. And now in SSH, in auth, now you have to browse your key. So my key is your its name is Red Hat. Now it's time to open. So now it's time to log in as EC2-user, which is created by your AWS. So now it's time to change your appearance. Now I want appearance should be 2.6, font size bold, and font should be this, so it is automatically bold. So now color should be, I think, white. No, white I used in my last video. I think green is good for today, and let me apply. Now it's time to clear screen by writing clear, or you can use Ctrl+L as well. Now it's time to first log in as a root user. As you know what is command for that, sudo -i. Now as you all can see that your $sign is converted to hash. Now let me clear again by pressing Ctrl+L. So in last video I taught you how to create multiple directories. Alright, how to create a parent directory, and in that directory you can also create a directory, not folder. Let me do ls for you to show you that what I have created in my last video. So let me show you one more command, how to delete. If you want to delete like this abc file, because this is your file, alright, so how you can delete that? rm-rf. rf means remove forcefully. Alright, remove forcefully. So let me write name abc here. Alright, so first you have to write your command, which is your rm, not in capital, in small, rm-rf. Now again you have to write space, not write, you have to give space. So now rm-rf, so there is also space between rm-rf. Now again you have to insert space. Now it's time to write file name. So my file name is your abc. Alright, I think this much size is enough for you. So I think this is visible now. Alright, so this is your command. So your main command is rm-rf file or folder name. Alright, file or folder name. Let me write here file. Alright, so here you can write your file or folder name. Alright, let me show you. If I press enter, now there is nothing. Now you can see that no error occurred. It means your command is run successfully. Alright, so let me do ls. Now you can see that there is no abc file, but there it is. After running this command, your abc file is deleted. Alright, it is removed. Let me do ls. You can see that there is no file. But if you want to delete directory, how can you do that? Command is same, rm-rf. Now you have to write your directory name. So my directory name is dir1. Alright, now if I do ls, now you can see that there is no dir1 directory exists, but here you can see it exists. So the command is same as I already showed you. You can write file or folder name. Alright, I think this concept is clear to all of you. And now there is one more command. If you want to delete all this stuff, this one. Alright, if you want to delete all this stuff, what is command for that? rm-rf. Let me write here first. Where is your cursor? 2. Let me write 2 rm-rf star means for all. Alright, if I you have to first insert space, after you can give star. So rm hyphen rf star means to delete all of this stuff. Alright, so let me run this command. If I do ls, now you can see nothing because all of this stuff is now deleted. Alright, I hope now you all can understand what I'm trying to show you. Now it's time to clear the screen. So in previous video I showed you how to create parent directory, and you can create multiple directories in that. So let me create that one again. mkdir your -p, you have to use -p for parent. Now you can write like dir1, dir2, alright, dir3. So my parent directory is dir1, in that there is dir2, in that there is dir3, or you can name it anything you want. Alright, so now let me do ls. Now you can see that directory 1 is created. In this directory 1 there is directory 2, in that directory 2 there is directory 3. Alright, so let's take a scenario that you have created your directory, but you don't know how much length of your directory has. Alright, so how can you check that? So you can check that by there is a package manager which is known as yum in Red Hat. Yum is used to install. If you want to install something in Linux, so you use yum only for Red Hat and CentOS. Alright, so if you want to install something in Windows, you can install by clicking on the buttons next, and you can install. But in Linux there is your yum. After that you have to write install. If I want to update this machine, I can do by this command as well. This is your package manager, yum update. So now you can see that this machine is updating right now. As you all can see, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So now this is updating. Alright, so now you can see that this is updating. So the command is your let it update. So this command is your yum. You can use yum update. Alright, and you can use yum for anything to install. If you install something, if you want to install, like there is a software, you can say, or you can say a package which is your tree. So let me install that as well. So it is, now you can see that, is this okay? Press Y or N. Y for yes, N for no. So let me press Y and press enter. Y, press enter. Now you can see that. So this machine is updating right now. Alright, as you all can see, let it update. So if you write, let me show you, if you write -y after this, so it won't ask you for yes or no, because it means you have already done yes. So while writing command you can write -y as well. I'll show you. Alright, so let it update this. So you can see my machine is updating right now. So now you can see that all the new softwares are updated and installed in this machine. So now it's time to clear again. So I was talking about the tree. So you can install, there is a package yum. So let me talk about what is package and what is software. So in this in the language of Windows, you say like you say in Windows folder, but you say in Linux directory. Similarly, that way you say package in Linux and software in your Windows. So let me install a package which is your tree. So let me show you what is the work of tree. So you have to write command yum install tree. Alright, and you have to write here -y. -y I'm writing because it won't ask me to type yes or no. Let me correct this spelling. Install. Alright, so now So now it's time to run this command. Alright, latest metadata expiration. Alright, so now you can see that the tree is installed. So let me clear again. So now if you run this command tree, so now you can see that it is showing directory 1, directory 2 and directory 3. So this is the main purpose of installing tree. By running tree you can see what is inside directory 1 and what is inside directory 3. Alright, so let me clear the screen again. Alright, so let me go out from here. Let me do exit. Now you are a regular user, as you can see by this $sign. Alright, now you are not root user. Let me go out again by doing cd double dot. As you already know what is that, single dot represents your this one current directory, and this one dot double dot means previous directory. So I want to go to previous directory. Now I am in home, so I want to go to your top level root directory. Now I am there. As you all know, this one is your top level root directory. If I do here ls, now you can see that there are your OS files of Linux. Alright, so we always do practice on in this home directory, because home directory contains your users. Alright, it contains your users. So let me show you that you can check by using ls command. You can write like this, ls / and your, if you want to check users, how you can check that? You not need to go in home directory again and again to check users. You can check by this ls command, ls / and this home. So if I do this, now you can see that it is showing EC2 because there is only one user. But in the next video I will show you how to create users and also how to switch as a new user. Alright, so I think in this video this is enough for now. For today this is enough, and I will meet you in my next video.